Hi you guys, it's Tamia and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to revive this disgusting looking synthetic wig. I've only wore it once for a photo shoot, but today we're going to revive it. So as you can see, this is an outre wig. It's an outre lace front wig and they're everywhere collection in the style every 5 and the color cinnamon spice. And here I'm just detangling it, taking out all the kinks and tangles as you saw in the previous clip so that we can go ahead and move forward with this process of making this wig cute again. So as you can see, I just have a pot of hot water. That at the bottom of the pot is like some rust that for whatever reason I just cannot seem to get out. But I'm going to use one of these Gain detergent pods and I'm just going to poke a hole in it and pour some of the detergent in. I actually did go back and add some more because I feel like the little bit of detergent that I put in the beginning, that wasn't going to be enough to get out all the product that I had in this wig. So as you can see, I just went ahead and mixed the laundry detergent with my hand. That'll play as a shampoo for the wig. And then I'm going to take this Suavado fabric softener and that'll play as a conditioner for the wig. And then I just took about a half a cap full and mixed that with my hand as well. I just took the entire wig and dipped it inside of the pot. I'm patting it down so all of the hairs can get as much of the detergent and the fabric softener as possible. And then I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Now, as you can see here, I didn't comb my fingers through it or anything like that. I didn't take the bristle brush and brush it out. All I did was kind of drag the fabric softener and detergent through and just get as much as the excess off right before I rinse it again. And the only reason why I didn't comb it through or anything like that is because I didn't want to cause unnecessary tangles. So I just kind of brushed across it, but not necessarily trying to comb it through as if I'm trying to get tangles out. Okay, so this is the next day. I did let it sit for 24 hours to dry just because, of course, since it's a synthetic wig, I wouldn't be able to use a blow dryer. And here you'll see me just making sure that we don't have any tangles or kinks right before we flat iron because let's all, let's be real, this is a synthetic wig. So okay, so I did begin to flat iron it, but I just wanted to show you guys that it is possible. Even though it's high heat resistant fiber, you can still use heat. I use my Ola Bella flat iron that I got, I think, from Marshall's. I'm not sure how much it was, but I use it on 325. And you'll see here, I'm just taking my time to flat iron this small piece just to show you guys that it is possible. As you can see, this is the finished product. I'm not the best at wigs, but I do think that this turned out really well. I definitely love the color. It is a little shiny, but you know, I'm okay with that. As you can see, I was dumb hyped because it actually turned out pretty cute. If you enjoyed this video, of course, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!